2014 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It delivers power and performance, along with tons of features such as 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.